Hello, my students. How are you? Are you ready for unit number 4? Good. What can you see here in this picture? Yes? Rocket. Well done. Planets. Well done. And here we have an, yes, this is an astronaut. Well done. And here we have space shuttle. Good. So this unit, the title of this unit is Space. It is Space. Al-Fada. Okay. Good. So in this unit, we are gonna to have fun. Good. Okay. So our learning outcomes for today. Number 1, we are going to recognize instructions. For example, put on your helmet, take off your boots. Then you are going to identify words about space. For example, we have here space, astronauts, space shuttle, the moon. Then you are going to write description. Blob is putting on his helmet. Then you are going to identify and name planets. Okay? Good. Now, as a warm up here, you are going to watch a video about solar system. I'm going to send this link for you, okay? Now, I want you to open your class book, page number 32. Look at this picture. Here we have 4 pictures. It's about space, yes? You are going to listen and find which pictures is the CD players talking about. Is it number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4? Okay, listen and point to the picture. Okay, wait.
Listening 4.1.
This is a picture of a space shuttle. A space shuttle is like a plane that flies in space. It's got 2 rockets and a fuel tank. It can go up into space and come down again. It's good because it can be reused.
Okay, so which picture? Well done, picture number 2. It's talk about space shuttle. It said that it has 2 rockets and it has also fuel tank. Okay, good. And it can be reused. Okay, good. Now listen to number 2.
This is a picture of an astronaut. When astronauts leave the space shuttle, they must wear a spacesuit with a special helmet, boots and gloves.
Okay, so which picture? Picture number 4. Well done. It's talk about the astronauts. Well done. He said the astronauts should wear helmet, spacesuit, gloves, and boots. Well done. Now listen to number 3.
This is a picture of our planet Earth with the moon and the sun.
Okay. So it's talk about our planet. Yes. So it is number 3. Good. Okay. Then the last one.
This is a picture of an astronaut floating in space. They float because there isn't any gravity in space.
Yes. So it's picture number 1. It's talk about the an astronaut. Yes, he said that he's floating. Okay. So this is number 1. Good. Okay, now let's read this word together. Okay, let's read this word. Can you read it? Space. Well done. Then an astronauts. Well done. Then we have the moon. Oh, sorry here. Space shuttle. Space shuttle. Okay, مركبة فضائية. Space shuttle. Okay, then we have the moon. Do you like the moon? Yes, me too. Here we have earth. Then we have the sun. Excellent. Then we have helmet. This is helmet. The things that the astronaut wear on his head. It's called helmet. Okay? Then we have space suit. These are the clothes that he wear is called space suit. Okay? Boots. Boots. Okay? These are boots. Then we have gloves. Gloves. Okay? Can you read it? Good. Now, listen to me and do the instructions. Now we are going to differentiate between put on and take off. When I'm asking you to put on something, to put some clothes on you, so I'm going to say to you, put on your scarf, put on your cap, okay? If I said to you, put on your spacesuit, so you are going to do like this, put on, okay? Then if I said to you, please put on your shoes, so you are going to put on your shoes like this, okay? Take off. Look at this. Take off, take off, take off your gloves. Take off, take off. So we said take off. Then we have again, put on your helmet. Okay, put on your helmet. So we have two words here. We have take off and put on, and they are opposite. Okay, take off, like this picture, take off. And here we have put on, put on. Okay, now let's see here on your skills book. You are going to write these words. Okay, look, cover, right, check. You are going to look at the words first, then cover it, write it down, and then at the end you have to check your writing. Okay, so we have quickly, slowly, loudly, quietly, carefully. We said that these words are, do you remember? Adverbs, well done. And adverbs, we said, it describes the verbs. For example, we said, he ran very quickly. So we describe the verb run. Okay, good. You remember the rules. Excellent. And the adverb end with ly. Good, my students. I'm proud of you. Okay, now here on your class book, you have to read the sentences and match the astronauts to their names. Okay. Here we have A, B, C, D, E, F. And here we have a text, and you have to match between these sentences with the picture. Okay? Which sentences go with which picture? For example, Tom is putting on his helmet. Which picture? Which astronauts doing these things? Putting on his helmet. Is it A or B or C or D? Yes? Who is Tom? E. Well done. So Tom is E. Then Faisal is taking off his gloves. Who is it? Yes, B, teacher. Excellent. So Faisal is B. Then we have Jenny is putting on her spacesuit. Okay, where is Jenny? Yes, C. Excellent. Then Mark is taking off his shoes. Which one? D. Well done. Then Miko is putting on her boots. Which one? It's A. Well done. So here we have shoes and here we have boots. Okay? Then Stephen is sitting in the shuttle. Stephen is sitting in the shuttle. So it is F. Okay? So here we describe what they are doing here. Okay, now you are going to do the same. Here we have different monsters. Let's read. Make an activity for your friends. think of a name for each monster. So we have to give a name for each one of these monsters. Then write the name of the monsters. Where can we write the names? Here. Okay? Then write about what each monster is doing, what they are doing here. Okay? Let's see number 1 here. I will do number 1 for you. Okay? And you are going to do the rest. Okay, my students? Good. Number 1, I will give him a name. I will call him Sam. Okay? So number 1 is Sam. Now, what he is doing here? Yes, Sam is putting on his gloves. He's putting on his gloves. Okay, what about number 2? What about number 2? Okay, my students? What about number 2? What he is doing? Let's give him a name first. For example, let's give him a name. Jack, for example. Okay. Jack is, yes, putting on or taking off? Putting on his helmet. Well done. What about number 3, 4, 5, and 6? You are going to do it by yourself and please send it to me. Okay? I want to check your answers. Good. Now, on your class book, page number 34 and 35, here we have a solar system. Well done, Andy. We have different planets. Well done. Okay, where is the Earth? Do you know? Here we have the Sun. Okay, where is the Earth? It is the third one. So here we have the Earth. What do we have to do here? Read and label the planets. You are going to read this paragraph and write the name of these planets under the picture. Okay? Our solar system. There are 8 planets which go around the sun. These 8 planets and the sun are called the solar system. The 8 planets are different distances from the sun. We live on Earth. Okay. The third planet from the sun. The third one. Let's count here. We have the sun, and he said that it is the third. 1, 2, 3. So this is the Earth. Yes. Okay, so we will write Earth here. Okay, then the nearest planet of the sun is Mercury. Where is Mercury? And it is the nearest planet. Okay, Mercury and nearest to the sun, the nearest one. Okay, so this is the Mercury. Okay, and please look here. The first letter, it should be capital letter. Okay, when we write the name of the planets, the first letter, it should be capital as our name. Okay, good. Now, and the farthest planet is Neptune. Okay, the farthest. So it's mean it is far away from the sun. Here we have the sun and it is the farthest. Which one? Here. So it's called what? Neptune. Well done. Then the fifth planet from the sun is Jupiter. The fifth one. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is Jupiter. Well done. Good, my students. It is the biggest planet in the solar system, the biggest planet. Okay, look to this planet. It is the biggest one. This is very small. And here we have the biggest one. Okay, then it is the biggest planet in the solar system. Okay, after Jupiter, there is a planet with rings. Rings? Yes, here we have rings. Okay, called Saturn. So this is Saturn, teacher. Yes. The planet between Saturn and Neptune is called, What is it? Yes, is called Uranus. Well done. Where's Uranus? Which one? Yes, this one, teacher. Good. Okay, our planet Earth is between Venus and Mars. Mars is red in color. Okay, so the Earth is between Venus and Mars. Here we have two planets. Okay, but it said Mars is red in color. Which one is red? This one, teacher. Okay, so it is sometimes called the red planet. Venus is about the same size as Earth. So here we have Mars. Here we have Mars and here we have Venus, okay? Because Venus is the same size as the Earth. Okay, good. It is here, it said that Venus is about the same size as Earth. It is the hottest planet in the solar system, the hottest. So, which one is the hottest planet in our solar system? Yes, my students, which one? Venus. Well done, because it is near to the sun. Okay, good, my students. Now, let's hear the name of the planets from the CD player. Okay, listen.
Listening 4.2. The Sun,
Okay,
Mercury,
Mercury,
Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune,
okay, Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars, Earth, Venus, Mercury, and here we have the Sun. Okay, do you know now the name of our planets in our solar system? Good. Okay, so for your evaluation task here for today, you are going to answer these sheets. Here we have a task. You are going to differentiate between takeoff and put on. Okay, please do this. I will send this link for you. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.